Okay, welcome to my channel Maths with Mahanti sir. Children, today let us discuss one important problem, one type of important problem which is generally coming in the class 10 board examination from the chapter your real number. Children, you know how to find the HCF of two given positive integers. If you are given two positive integers, how to find their HCF by Euclid division lemma, using Euclid division lemma or Euclid division algorithm. Then after finding the HCF of any two given positive integers, suppose you are given two positive integers, say A and B, and their HCF is suppose D, small d, okay. Then how to express D as a linear combination of the two given positive integers, that is A and B, you know. So based on that particular phenomenon, let us discuss one problem. Suppose you are given, see, the question is express the HCF of 468 and 222. These are two positive integers. First you find their HCF and express the HCF, whatever HCF is obtained, you express it in the form of 468x plus 222y, where x and y are what? They are integers, maybe positive, maybe negative. So how to express? How to express the HCF of these two positive integers in this form? 468x plus 222y in two ways, not one way. You have to express the HCF as a linear combination in two ways. Let us see. Now, in order to express the HCF, first we have to find HCF, okay? And you know how to find the HCF of two positive integers using Euclid division lemma or algorithm. See, now to find the HCF, let us find the HCF first. So divide 468 by 222. So it is 4, you see, 8 minus 4, 24, this is 200, 22, 24, 9 is 200, 16, then it is 6, then divided by 24 again, 6, 4 is 24, so the remainder is 0. Now look at, now the smallest divisor, after getting 0 remainder, which is the smallest divisor? It is 6, so this will be the HCF, the smallest divisor. This is what known as your continued division method also. Euclid division lemma is otherwise known as your continued division process of finding HCF of two positive integers. You see. So here the HCF we got 6. Now what will be the algorithm? So write down the algorithm. 468 will be equal to 222 into 2 plus 24. Okay, this is the first equation. Then 222, it will be equal to 24 into 9 plus 6. This is the second equation. And the third equation will be 24 equal to 6 into 4. This will be the third equation. Okay. Now these are the algorithms and this is the lemma. So HCF is 6. Now what is our question? The question is we have to express 6 as 468x plus 222y, means as a linear combination of the two numbers or the two positive integers, that is 468 and 222. Let us see how to express. So we have to express it in two ways. Let us see the first way. What will be the first way? Let us see. The first way is, now we can rub this one, it is not necessary. See what is the first way. Now the first way of expressing, the first way of expressing the HCF of what? HCF we got how much? HCF of 468 and 222 is 6. Now we have to express 6 as a linear combination of the two given positive integers. Okay, in the form of 468x plus 222y, where x and y are what? They are integers. Now to do that, see what is the HCF? HCF is 6. Now this is the third step, this is the first step, second step and third step. Look at the second step. In second step 6 is there. Now first let us eliminate 6 from equation 2. Okay. Now if you eliminate 6 from equation 2, what will you get? You will get 222 minus 24 into 9. Okay. Eliminating 6 from equation 2, as we want to express the HCF, that is 6 as a linear combination of the two given positive integers. So look at the second, this is the last step, the previous step of the last step. Look at the previous step of the last step. What is the HCF? It is 6. Now express 6 or eliminate 6 from this equation. You will get that. Now see, what is the value of 24? See, 24. Now eliminate 24 from equation 1 and substitute here. So what you will get, you see, 222 minus 24 will be equal to 468 minus, you see, 222 into 2. Okay, so this will be the value of 24 into 9 into 9. That means eliminate 24 from equation 1 and substitute here. Okay, then what is the next step? The next step is you remove the bracket or omit the bracket. So how will you remove? 222 minus, you multiply, it is minus 468 into 9, minus minus is plus, then 222 into 9 is 80. You see. Then what is the next step? Here it is 222. 222 means 222 into 1. So we can take common 222. If we take common 222, here 1 is left and here what is left? 18. 1 plus 18. Then minus 468 into 9, or you can write 468 into minus 9. Okay. So now this will be equal to 468 into minus 9 plus 222 into 19. See, this is 468 into x plus 222 into y. Thus, where x is how much? Where x equal to your minus 9 and y equal to your 19. These are integers. See, now the HCF 6. The HCF of the two given positive integers, that is 222 and 468, which is equal to 6. Now this 6 has been expressed as a linear combination of the two given positive integers. So this is the first way of expressing the HCF in the form of 468x plus 222y. Now what will be the other way, second way? We have to express it in another way also. Now see, in order to express the same HCF, you see, in order to express the same HCF of the two given positive integers in the form of, as a linear combination of the two positive integers, what we will do? See, what is the next, second way? The question is, you express the HCF in two ways. See the second way. In second way, what you will do? The first way has already been done. We have already expressed. So first you write the first way. 6 equal to your 468 into minus 9. This is a linear combination. Plus 222 into 19. Okay. This is the first step. Already we have shown. We have shown the HCF of the two given positive integers as a linear combination of the two positive integers. Now in order to express it in the second way, what we will do? First you write this one, then what is the next step? The next step is, you see, add. You see, add and subtract. See, I am writing once again, 468 into minus 9 plus 222 into 19 plus add the product of the two numbers and subtract the product of the two numbers. That means if A and B are the two numbers of the two positive integers, add and subtract A into B. Add and subtract A into B. Because if we add and subtract A into B, that is AB, then on cancellation, it will become 0. That means the value of the expression, the value of this expression will not change. The value of this expression will not change if we add and subtract the same number or the same term or the same expression. Okay. So let us add and subtract 468 into 222 minus 468 into 222. See. That means this is the first method, this is the first way of expressing the HCF as a linear combination of the two given positive integers. Now in order to find the second way or second method, you write the same and then you add the product of the two numbers and subtract the product of the two positive integers. Okay, then what you will do? See. Now this is 468, see, 468 into minus 9, here 468 into 222, if you regroup, rearrange these terms, 468 into minus 9 plus rearrange. On rearranging, what will we get? 222, then plus 222 into your 19 minus 468 into 222. See, I just rearranged these two terms and these two terms. Okay. Then after rearranging, what you will do? Take common. Here 468 will be taken common. So if you take 468 common, it will be minus 9 plus 222. Then here you take 222 common. If you take 222 common, what will be left here? 19. And what will be left here? Minus 468. Now this is 468 into, this will be your 230 plus, this is 222 into, this will be 9, 18 minus 9 is 9, 15, 5 minus 1 is 4, yes, minus 449, see. 19 minus 468 will be 449 minus 449. So you see, now this will be 468 into, x plus 222 into y, where x equal to 213 and y equal to minus 449c. Now this is the second way, see children. So in the first way, what I did, first I found the HCF of the two given positive integers using your Euclid division lemma or Euclid division algorithm. After finding the HCF, then I expressed, you see, this is the first way, first method of expressing the HCF. See, now 6 has been expressed in the form of 468x plus 222y. That means 6 has been expressed as a linear combination of the two given positive integers, where x and y are also integers. And where x equal to minus 9 and y equal to 19. In the second way, see, the same HCF, that is 6. 6 has also been expressed as a linear combination of the two given positive integers in this way. That is 468 into 213 plus 222 into minus 449, which is equal to 468x plus 222y. That means in both the ways, we could express the HCF of the two given positive integers, that is 468 and 222, as a linear combination of the two given positive integers. So children, this is a very important thing which you should understand. Okay. How to find HCF? You know, it is very simple. After finding the HCF of any two given positive integers, how to express it as a linear combination of the two positive integers. That means if A and B are two positive integers, you see, if A and B are two positive integers and D is the HCF. If D is the HCF of A and B, then how to express D in the form of AX plus BY? See, D is expressed as a linear combination. How to express D as a linear combination of A and B, such that D will be of the form AX plus BY, where X and Y are what? They are integers, maybe positive, maybe negative. Okay, so this is the method. I hope this is a very important thing and which generally comes in the examination. Children, I hope you understood how to express the HCF of two positive integers as a linear combination of the two. If at all it is true, then I must say please hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Okay, so we shall discuss more problems on this chapter in the next class. Thank you.